Hello, this is a two-part series for tutorial of this app. First part will be to go over the send one or many letters, and the second part video it will be the set up recurring mailing. So I'll get logged in here. You can either log in with an existing account, or you can register for a new account through here. I'm going to log in with an existing account, and this is an account with 0 credits, so I won't be sending anything because this is production ready, and anything you send from here with a positive account balance will send. First off, I'll start from the top bar. We have the light mode, dark mode, the list of campaigns that you might have drafted, submitted, processing, or delivered. These are, after you submit, these are just different statuses of your campaigns. So processing just means it's in print production, and we're working on it to get it out the door. Delivered means that it was dropped off at USPS that day. Alright, and we got use CRM contacts, so you can fill in the recipient information manually, or you can come into here to select any of these contacts here. We're going to just go ahead and manually type in some arbitrary names. 23 S Street. We assume that you are sending valid addresses every time you send letters. But if you want to delete, you can. You click the little X here, or clear fields. We'll remove that contact. You can click the add new recipient, and it'll save that one and move on to the next one. So you can fill out anything you want here. And if you have a duplicate, there's a button to remove the duplicate. Otherwise, if you get flagged with the duplicate, you can choose to keep it or submit it that way without making any changes. If there's any address information missing, like address line 1, city, state, or zip code, there'll be an option to fix that manually, and you can also select any of these. I will grab a list here and upload a list to go over the uploading a list feature. So we have a list here. I just clicked and drag and drop, otherwise you can click to select the list. It'll bring up the file explorer. If your column headers match our system properties, they'll autofill here like it does so nicely here. You can download examples down below the import right here. Those are just example spreadsheets with our column headers. So if you don't need to have the exact naming, because these are your column headers from your list, and you can match your column to our system properties. So we'll import import this list, and it should populate all of those contacts. And let's just say we want to run with this list. You can move on to the choose a card design. These are our global designs for all users. You can go through our library of cards, select any of these you'd like. Otherwise, we have the My Designs, which you can create your own here, and they'll be populated once you start creating to have your own designs. So we'll go on to the Create New Design feature. I'm just going to put in some logos. Let's see. Alright, so we have a front of the card design. We can move it around, do whatever we want here. We can change the color. We'll change it to white or black. So that's the black background color. This is not a transparent background, so yeah, if you have a logo that's transparent background, that's ideally what this is for. We'll just change it back to match the background of that logo image I uploaded. So move it around however we want. There's little guides to center it. We'll then move on to the back design. We'll get another same thing uploaded. We can choose to clear the image in case we don't want it, or we can change it. We'll leave the background color there. You can also use the zoom in case you want to make it smaller. Same here. So we got the inner. We'll just keep adding this. Same design. And we'll hit preview. And you can see all the different views for it. You can download the zip in case you want to upload it directly to our site. Or just have a reference to it. Click the make changes if you need to make any changes to what you see here. If you're good to go, you can hit save. And then you have your design should be listed here, and if you want to change it, you can come to your My Designs. You can see the cover and the inner posted right there. Otherwise, you can come to our global designs that are accessible for all users. So now that we got our design, we'll come down to the message. You'll have these previously sent messages. This is empty because it's a brand new account. We got the toggle switch for short text and long text. Long text just allows for 19 lines of text. Short text is just 13 lines of text. So this is a restricted design for you to enter the message and have it stay within the bounds of this card design. So I'll just get a sample bit of text here. Alright, when you paste in some text, it'll ask if you want to apply the styling. You'll need to come in and rework the message in case it kind of looks all jumbled like that. And it might be best to turn off the natural handwriting temporarily and just manually kind of adjust the writing as needed. We do automated line breaking, so that it line breaks where we need it to, so it stays, so it doesn't start writing off the card at any point. Alright, we'll turn that natural handwriting back on, kind of keep toggling it to play around with it, or otherwise you can manually add some line breaking. Once you got your message where you want it, you can come down to the final preview. You can view all the different signs, inside, the back of the card, and you can choose to save and send later. We'll go ahead and do that now. Spring 2026. We'll call it, that'll be the campaign name. You'll see a nice little draft saved, campaign ID, status is draft, and you can click to start a new campaign, and I'll just clear everything out for you to start again. You can come here to the view one-time campaigns to view the full message. If you click anywhere in here, you can click to edit the campaign. And once you have it edited, you should see your 500 contacts come back in, your design, your message, and let's just say you're ready to go. You'll see the campaign name already filled in there. Recipients is 500, credits required is 500. Your wallet balance, because this is a brand new account, it's 0, so you'll need to come to the refill wallet page, which is on our native website, Scribe Nurture. So we'll go do that now. You'll be navigated to this page. You'll see your My Wallet page. You can purchase credits right here by entering any amount. Click at the table to enter anything. You can use the monthly subscription, minimum of 50 credits for a monthly subscription. Otherwise, you can get as much as 1,000 credits per month. And while you have a subscription, you can always add more credits at a one-time price. But with the monthly subscription, there's a discounted price by volume. And we'll go back to, we'll exit the editing mode. And yeah, that's the send one time for this app. In the next video, we'll go over the set up recurring mailing to automate campaigns.